Take a look at this camera array. This is the Sony Xperia VIII, and what you're seeing here isn't just another smartphone camera upgrade. This is 2026's answer to a question nobody knew how to ask. What if your phone did you indeed just capture what you see, but understood what you're trying to create? Here's where things get wild. The Xperia VIII doesn't wait for you to press the shutter. It's already analyzing the scene, reading the light, and tracking movement. Watch this. I'm raising the phone toward us and captured the perfect moment while I was still just pointing. This isn't reactive photography anymore. This is predictive creativity. Your preferences and adapting in real time. It's like having a professional photographer's instincts built right into the hardware. So how does this work? Inside is a dedicated AI processing unit, completely separate from the main chip. This thing is a beast. We're talking about processing 1 billion pixel calculations per second. That's not a typo. 1 billion. While you're composing your shot, this processor is running parallel neural networks, analyzing every element in the frame. See this night cityscape. Each light source, each shadow, is being calculated separately. The AI determines the optimal exposure for every single element, then combines them into a perfectly balanced image. And it stays cool, maintaining peak performance all day. It suggests alternative compositions in real time. When you take a shot in 14-bit RAW, the AI instantly generates 3 complete edit presets: editorial style, cinematic grade, and a natural look. You can use them as a starting point or ignore them completely. The choice is yours. Think about the complete workflow. You capture a moment the AI predicted. You process the image with AI-suggested edits that match your style. You export for any platform, and the AI optimizes it automatically, from capture to delivery in 3 seconds. Look at these images: wildlife portraits, action sports. The AI contributed between 60 and 85% to each of these shots. But that's not cheating. That's a partnership. This is human intent meeting machine capability. You bring the vision, and the Xperia VIII brings the technical perfection to realize it. This is creatively conscious. This is the Sony Xperia VIII, and mobile photography just evolved. Creatively conscious. This is the Sony Xperia VIII, and mobile photography just evolved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.